Okay, so now we're gonna demonstrate the how to use CarPlay. First thing you're gonna do is you have to pair your phone using Bluetooth. So we're gonna do that now. Go phone. Now my friend is gonna go on his phone and connect. And you see it, it's connecting. Okay, so now once the phone is connected, you're gonna go home, not to your house. You're gonna go apps, and you're gonna choose Z-Link. Now you see it. So you see it supports CarPlay and Android Auto. You get a prompt on your iPhone. You say yes, use. You'll see your name, your phone name up there, pop up. Now you have CarPlay enabled. You can, lock your phone. It is limited to what things you can use, obviously, but yeah, it's fully operational. You have apps. You can go to your settings. You can start Waze from here if you want, but you have it in your Android screen, so it's up to you. But you have the option if you choose to. So that's for CarPlay. That was easy, right? Painless. So once you're done with CarPlay, you want to use something else or switch. All you have to do is hit the car icon, and that will put you back to your Android. And obviously, if you want to go back to the original system, then you'll just have to go and do NTG menu. So now we're gonna do the split screen function. So let's say you open navigation, you have Waze. You see these multi-window icon? Click there, then hold down. This will appear. Just drag the app to it. Now you have one screen here, and then you open. Let's say we do Waze and video, and you decided you want one of them to be full screen. All you have to do is the white line there. You'll decide if you go this way, Waze will take over. If you go this way, the video will take over. And that's pretty much it for the split screen. Let's see, so it has more than one navigation system. So what do you do if you have specific preferences and whatnot? When you go into settings, this is what you got. Then you go into navigation, and then Navi app, and then here you get to choose which one is your default. Let's go with Waze. Waze right there. So go to the home screen, select navigation, then Waze pops up. I haven't hotspotted to my phone, so yeah, it's not. Well, I mean, we won't do this now. Just wait. Just like you have too many apps open in the background, right? And you want to close, and unit Android system will be a little bit more responsive. So you gotta go here and you have everything here, right? So you can toggle between applications, or you can hit the X to close them, or you can go like this. Swipe right, and you can close all of them. And back to the home screen. So let's do video. We don't have anything. Scan. I gotta lower the volume. Let's see. I have to lower the volume, otherwise, you know, YouTube will just flag it. We can see the screen quality. And if you want to just swipe down, you get this little menu. Just hit the back, and you can get out of it. And then this is the home. Music. I already set the auxiliary to automatic. Another nice feature that I like about this unit, let's say I have video on, and then I want to do a picture-in-picture, which I want to open navigation at the same time. So I'll open the navigation, I'm going somewhere, but you can still have the video playing. And this screen, you can move it around wherever you want to move it. You can change the location. When you double tap it, it goes back full screen. You can go media, phone, and then if you want to switch back, Android, you can hit either Navi, which is set up to switch to the Android Waze, which what we chose as a default navigation app. You have 3 choices. And if you have any questions, you can always, or you want to find out about things that you can do, all these units, they come with a PDF, and it's the Qualcomm Benz User Manual 2020. You open it, and that will walk you through all the things that you can do. I mean, there are so many things you can change and tweak because everybody's different, so it's up to you, you know, what things you want to change, how you want certain items to appear. So you just go through this, and it will show you everything you need to do. I like this one. That's my favorite. It's got the wiring diagram. It tells you what goes where.